Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update universal links for iOS in Apple developer settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update universal links for iOS in Apple developer settings, begin by logging into your Apple developer account. Navigate to the Certificates, Identifiers and Profiles section. Locate the Identifiers tab in the sidebar. Search for your app's identifier in the list. Once you find your app, click on it to view the details. Scroll down to the Associated Domains section. If you don't see it, ensure your app ID is configured as an app ID with the appropriate entitlements. Click the Edit button next to Associated Domains. In the text field, add your new universal link entries. Format the entries as follows: applinks.yourdomain.com. Make sure to include all the necessary domains you want to support. After entering the domains, click on Save to apply the changes. Next, open your app's capabilities in Xcode. Select your project from the navigator. Go to the Signing and Capabilities tab. Locate the Associated Domains capability. Ensure that it lists the same domains you added in the developer settings. If not, click the plus button to add them. Once everything is in sync, close the Capabilities tab. Now, update your app's entitlement file if necessary. Save your changes in Xcode. Build and run your application on a device to test the universal links. Use Safari to test the links and ensure they open your app correctly. Once verified, your universal links are updated and functional. Document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.